guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com. And for today's recipe, it is another baking from the garden using rhubarb again from the garden. This is strawberry and rhubarb muffins. Today I get to use my oven, which I'm so happy about, but the bad news is that it's so smoky outside. If you can see it from this camera, that's why I get to use my oven. Whoops, I just kicked myself. Anyways, check out the full video now. See you soon again. Bye. So I freshly picked one rhubarb. We're gonna remove the leaf and we're gonna slice the stem or the stalk like so. So it's kind of thinly. The dry ingredients, as always, this is 2 cups of flour, half cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Mix it and make a center, make a well in center, and set to side while we prepare the wet ingredients. The wet ingredients, this is 1 cup of milk, 6 tablespoons of sunflower oil, 2 large eggs, and 1 tablespoon of orange blossom water. We're just gonna pulse this in the food processor until completely combined. Now pour wet ingredients into dry ingredients and we're gonna stir this until just combined. Not forgetting our sliced rhubarb. Again until just combined. You don't want to overly mixed. Your muffin pan and divide the batter into the cavities per quarter cup. Then we're gonna top it with strawberry jam like so, and top it with the rest of the batter, another quarter cup each. I'm gonna bake this on preheated 400 Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes depending on your oven. Enjoy. So I sliced mine just to show you the rhubarbs and the strawberry.